Look at this glorious morning. Sparkles of icicles hanging out on the GoSuns. But the sun is already shining. It's about 9 a.m. It's burnt off the frost on the grill. It's time to get things cleaned up. We're gonna do some experimentation with this old GoSun 4All that we prototyped out of Guatemala. It's a filthy mess. It's been sitting outside. It didn't take long to get the old 4All back up in tip-top working shape. And while I was doing that, I had some pot stickers frying in the sport, along with some leftover quinoa and red curry for lunch. Lots of different tests going on. This is a like a chicken wing sampler platter. Those went in about 10-15 minutes ago. Same about 10 minutes ago in the sport. Got some chocolate brownie cake. You know how that is. It's our favorite. And then I just recently put in some vegetable medley in a really hot grill. You can hear it frying. Those went in just about 2 minutes ago. Look at that. That's great. Stir-fried veggies. It's hard to do these on your grill. At least not like this, succulent and juicy. Up at 176, so 180. Clearly, these guys are done. I would say that's good eating right there. We'll turn this sport off. Got a little Fresnel lens here, Fresnel, depending on how you pronounce it, shooting on our chips to kind of get them to ignite and start to smoke subtly, so we can smoke these chicken wing. This is what you call sola sola.
Okay, so sola.
There's so many ways to do sola. Sola sola. I'm super lucky to have my mentor, Gary Starr, in town. So we went for a nice long hike, left the chicken wings out to roast, and we came back and they were smoked and burnt to a crisp. Just the way I like them. And absolutely delightful. Gorgeous day and the sun is heading down. Another success. The chocolate brownie cake wasn't totally cooked in the grill when I shut it off. So I went ahead and threw it in the sport for that last little hour of sunlight so that we have proper dinner here.